So I'm making angel eyes for my speed fight. How you can see, here it is. It's not finished yet. Tomorrow it will be finished. How you can see, the whole front is taken off. Here is the whole front. And yeah, let's see how it looks. I'll turn off the light. Just wait 1 second. I have to take the wires, put it on this thing. See that? You can't really understand. Okay, it's too bright to notice, but it's so awesome. And yeah, taking this off. So yeah, it will be maybe in daylight. I will be better off. Up. Not so much. Well, yeah, that looks so awesome. Tomorrow I will glue them in because they can even focus. I can take them off. And yeah, tomorrow there will be maybe even pictures or something. I actually will photograph. You will see pictures right now.